Hey guys, today I'm working with a Samsung French door bottom freezer refrigerator, and I'm going to give you the run through on it real quick, just show you that everything's working perfect on it. As you can see, it's in excellent shape. Couple little marks that are actually really hard to see unless you get right up close. There's just a couple little what I call moving scratches here, a couple here, and then a little dent right here. Beyond that, it's in excellent shape. I'll get the pictures here in just a minute to kind of detail it as best I can, but overall excellent shape. I'm going to show you that it is cooling and freezing like it's supposed to. So I've got my temperature gun here. You can see it's about 90 outside right now. Go ahead and open this up, shoot this on the inside. You can see it's 38, 39, right where it's supposed to be. And the longer I hold and fan this door, the longer it's gonna warm up. It doesn't take too long. But we've got the ice maker there, and I'm gonna show you all that here in just a second. You can see it's nice and cold in there, right where it should be. Because I've got it set to -4 and 38 is what I have it set to on this guy here. And I've fanned the door a couple of times, but I try not to fan it too much till I do the actual video. It doesn't take too long to cool right back down. And now I will show you water. Okay, you can see that's working perfect. And I just put in a brand new water filter. Brushed ice. And it's dumped a couple loads of ice there. Cube. One thing I was surprised was how quickly this started making ice once I hooked the water up to it. Oh, there you go. You can see water, ice. It is cooling and freezing like it's supposed to. I've had it plugged in for several days, running several cycles. And we'll go ahead and get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks. Have a great day.